Okay, so since we are still on common fraction and the multiplication, okay, let's do one like this one. Okay, let's say I have 5 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 5. Okay, in this one we are doing the same thing. We say we multiply the numerators first, which will means we'll have 5 multiplied by 6 divided by what? 6 multiplied by a 5. Okay, but check, this 5 goes with this 5 and this 6 goes with this 6. So here I'm left with 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 1. What's 1 multiplied by 1? Which is 1. This is divided by what? By 1. So our answer will be what? Will be 1. Whenever they cancel, they do not give us the answer being 0. Okay, so let's say we have 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3 again. Okay, we multiply the numerators, which will give us 2 times 3, okay, divided by what? By 3 multiplied by 2, okay? Whenever we multiply like this, the 2 goes once into 2, and then the 3 goes once into 3. We are left with 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 1, which will give us 1 over 1, which is 1. It is not 0.